Hello guys, this is your boy, the one and only, the notorious Nas Abe. So I'm back with another video, and on this one, guys, we'll be doing some weekly analysis. Understand? And by the way, I hope you guys have had a nice weekend. Understand? I'm 100% sure you guys had a nice weekend because we sanitized NFP. Understand? Even the video that I gave you last week, guys, you saw. And you saw what NFP did. Understand? Just that I deleted my analysis, I was gonna show you. Understand? But those who know. Understand? Those who know. I told you. But let's just forget about the past, guys. Let's focus on the future. Understand? What happened last week happened. Understand? NFP was killed. So this week, let's just do some weekly analysis. Understand? And see what we should expect this week. Understand? I'm expecting this week and this upcoming weeks, I'm expecting a lot of setups, guys. There's a lot of setups, and I'm expecting us to be making a lot of money this week. Understand? Because we have a lot of setups here, guys. Understand? So let's just start with GER30 before we can go to other pairs. Understand? Let's start on GER30, since the GER30 is one of the pairs that we like trading. Understand? And GER30 likes to respect zones, guys. Understand? Like all the pairs I trade, and all of them respect zones. So that's why I like GER30, guys. GER30, USA30, Nasdaq, and gold. Understand? Those pairs like to respect zones. So as you know, guys, how we analyze it, first start on our weekly time frame, go to identify our strong weekly zones. Understand? Our strong weekly zones, that will be our possible turning points. Understand? That's our possible turning point. So you know that once the market approaches those zones, understand, those strong zones, there is a possibility that the market reverses. Understand? So there are my weekly zones there. So just like that, I'm done identifying my weekly zones, guys. Let me just identify this one again. Then let's go to our daily time frame to look for our direction. Understand? And on GER30, guys, I hope everyone remembers this setup. Understand? Nothing has changed here. We're still on the same setup that nothing has really changed, guys, and we're still following the previous setup. Understand? You remember on the video I dropped, I think last week, Saturday or Sunday, somewhere there. Understand? We analyzed like this, told you that GER30 broke this massive support. Understand? You see that we had a support zone there. GER30 broke that support zone, retested on it, and then currently we are on a massive downtrend. Understand? And I told you that, guys, I'm expecting GER30 to come to this point here. Understand? Here, I'm expecting GER30 to drop to that point. Understand? But as you know, the market doesn't just if you're expecting it to go to a certain point, and it's not going to just continue giving you selling selling candlesticks, and drops till that point. Now it's going to be doing ups and downs. Understand? As you can see now, it's acting like it's buying. Understand? It's going to do ups and downs every time. Understand? But at the end of the day, we know that we're going to that point. Understand? So that's how the market might move. And sometimes it might start ranging, sometimes might act like now it wanna buy, and then comes back to that point. Understand? So that's what I'm currently expecting on GER30, guys. I'm expecting it to reach that point there. Understand? So I'm still expecting that, guys. Nothing has changed already. Still focusing on that. Understand? So let's just dive deeper with our analysis and see what we can find. Understand? And see if we can enter any trades tomorrow. Understand? Since tomorrow it's Monday. So by the way, on our 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have like a downtrend there. You can see that we have a downtrend, and it looks like we're going to break that downtrend, guys. Understand? It looks like we're going to break that down, and I think it already broke. Let me just go to my 1 hour time frame. I just want to check something. I think it broke that trend. Yeah, we broke that downtrend, guys. Understand? On our, what do you call, on our 4 hour time frame. Understand? This is a downtrend from our 4 hour time frame. So it's a strong downtrend, understand? It's a strong downtrend, but it isn't really like giving us a massive breakout. It can still drop from there, understand? But I'm not looking for a any opportunities so there, understand? Because I think that's a danger zone. You see that it broke the trend, and it might buy, it might sell from that point, understand? Where it's gonna go next, I don't know from there, understand? Because that's a danger zone. You can see it broke, meaning that it's gonna buy, and it looks like it's rejecting again. It might sell, understand? So I'm not sure with the direction. We're just going to leave the market to do what it's gonna do, understand? After it has done what it wanted to do, then maybe we can get another opportunity. But don't forget, don't forget that we're on a downtrend. Understand? Even if it breaks there, gives us like I know that once it breaks there, guys, some people will be looking for buying opportunities, and but I won't be looking for buying opportunities, guys. I'm still confident with my sales, and I'm still looking for those sales. Understand? Let me just do this. As you remember that Gemitati was creating lower lows, lower lows. Understand? So I'm currently expecting it to come and give us another new lower low. Understand? And you can see that it was giving us lower highs, lower highs. Understand? So currently I'm expecting a new lower high. So that can be our new lower high there. Understand? But with that one, I'm not sure, guys. Understand? I'm not sure because we're not on a zone. You can see that we're in the middle of two zones. Understand? In the middle of two weekly zones. So we might sell or we might break that zone. Understand? But one thing, what I don't want Gementity to do, guys, is come and break this zone. Let me just remove this. Let me just remove this. So when you check here, we have our previous high, understand? So if Gementity can come and break this high, understand, guys? If it can, let's take it bias and breaks that high, know that the direction has changed, understand? We might start looking for buying opportunities, understand? But now, just because it broke there, we're not going to look for any buying opportunities, understand? But currently what I'm expecting, guys, and I'm expecting it to buy to this zone, to that when it reaches that zone, I'm expecting it to give us confirmations, understand? Selling confirmations so that we can execute our sales targeting that previous lower low there, understand? So meaning that that zone, guys, it's a important zone, understand? Keep an eye on that zone. We might see massive sales on that zone, understand? Once we get our confirmation, you know, our confirmation candlestick, the one that I like to use is my hammer candlestick, understand? And I'll like if I get the hammer candlestick on my 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, I know that that's a high probable trade, understand? That I'm gonna take, understand? So from there, I'll be expecting sales, guys, understand? And note that once it breaks that high there, this high here, guys, and it might change, it might start buying massively, understand? But currently, we're still on our sales, understand? Because it hasn't wiped out that um, previous high, understand? So we're still looking for those sales here on Gementati. So my entry point will be there, stop loss above that zone there. Then TP will be our previous lower low there, understand? So that's my setup for Gementati, guys. That's my setup for Gemintate. So if Gemintate might break this trend line, and if it might break this trend line, buy and go to that weekly zone. I don't remember if it is where I got this zone, but I know that this is a probable zone, understand? Like a high accurate zone, understand? So if it might buy, go to that zone, we'll be executing sales, understand? And by the way, if it doesn't buy, because we don't really know what it's gonna do from there, understand? We don't really know what it's gonna do from there. So if you check here, it's creating a little uptrend there. Understand? I'm not going to say Gemintate is on an uptrend just because I'm seeing these guys. Understand? Let me just remove this stuff. So here's another setup that I want to show you guys. And if it doesn't buy, let's take from that third touch there and it starts dropping. So we can still execute ourselves, but I'll wait for it to break this little trend line here. I'm not going to enter there, guys, because that's a high risky zone, guys. I don't know where it might go there. Nobody knows where it might go there. You can see that it broke. Someone may say it broke. Yeah, we're looking for buy. Someone may say it's a third touch. We're looking for sales. Understand? So now I don't want to risk there. I don't know where the direction might go. Understand? I don't know where it might go from there. So what I wanted to do, if it doesn't buy, and if it buys, gives us confirmation they are executing sales. And if it sells, breaks this trend line here, or executing sales to understand. And not only breaking this trend line, understand. I wanted to break this zone too. Once it break this zone, a candlestick closes below this zone, understand. We're executing our sales there, understand. We're executing our sales there too. So this can be two trades, guys. Once it goes there, if it buys, goes there, gives us confirmation, we can enter. Then once it drops, comes here, break this zone, we can enter again, understand, and see where we might go again, understand, and look for another TP zone. But you remember where I said I'm expecting GER30 to go, guys? I'm still expecting it to drop to this zone, understand, which is 1445. 14,456.62, understand. That's where I'm expecting GER30 to go, understand. So it might not go to that point straight like in a day, understand, but it will go there eventually, understand. So yeah, that's my analysis for GER30, guys. Simple as it is, understand. Simple as it is, understand. I hope everyone understands this setup. Don't be confused, understand, because these are the same stuff that I use every day, understand. Are the same stuff that I use every day, understand. So yeah, that was GER30 for you guys. So for now, let's check gold, because today I just want to analyze like a lot of pairs for you guys, understand. I want to analyze a lot of pairs for you guys so that this upcoming week, understand, you won't rely on my signals, understand. You can kill this thing on your own, understand. And by the way, you can even analyze other pairs, guys, understand, not just looking at my analysis and saying, okay, I'm going to trade gold because the notorious Ape said gold is gonna buy or it's gonna sell, understand. You can still go and analyze your own pair, maybe go for GBP or any currency pair, understand. Because most of the time I don't analyze currency pairs, guys, understand. But I was trading currency pairs, but now I don't feel currency pairs, understand. I don't know why, but I don't like them anymore, understand. So on gold, guys, we're still on a downtrend too. But you can see that it rejected on a strong weekly zone, understand? And it's buying massively. And that's why, guys, I'm saying always identify your weekly zones. You can see that on our zones, guys, every time these zones and our possible turning points, you can check, guys. Like, it's not like I'm telling you something that I just came up with, understand? You can see that most of the time, these are our turning points, understand? You can check there, even if it started by going a bit up, but you can see that it rejected at the end of the day, understand? So these zones are important, guys. Know that these zones are our possible turning points, understand? So you can see currently now, we just rejected on a strong weekly zone and we are buying massively, understand? And by the way, on gold, we are on a downtrend, understand? And this is my daily time frame, by the way, understand? You can see that we're on a massive downtrend and just give us a second touch there. So we're expecting a third touch, understand? Once it gives us the third touch, guys, we're executing our our sales, understand? And by the way, currently on gold, and I don't want to lie, there's no like a real setup here, understand? But I don't know where we can enter, but I think we can enter here. Because when I check here, there's like a resistance level there, understand? I think once if it can buy, come here and retest, then we can execute buys, understand? Ride it until it gives us a third touch there. Ish, what am I doing now? We can ride it until it gives us a third touch there, understand? But currently, the way it's moving, and it's not like a proper direction to follow. We know that at the end of the day, we're on a downtrend, understand? We're on a downtrend, and it can turn. at this point, guys. Wait. This is another strong zone, guys. Understand? So pay attention to this zone. So if it can, let's take it buys massively. Let's take it buys massively, retest, or then goes to this zone. Be careful of that zone, guys. That zone can be another possible turning point, and then gold might drop massively, understand, and wipe out all those, like those ones who were buying there, understand. So this zone is another zone. I think if I can get confirmation there, guys, and if I can get confirmation there on that zone, I'll be executing myself to understand. Mm. Wait, I wanna see something. So here on gold too, when we check gold too is on a downtrend. Where's that drone thingy? Ah, yeah, yeah, guys. Where is that thing that I can use to draw? Okay, here it is. So you can see that gold 2 is giving us like lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Understand? So now it's buying. So afterwards, we're looking for it to give us another new lower low. Understand? So once we can get any selling opportunity, guys, this will be our TP here. Our TP will be on that. Okay, let me just put this thing here. So our TP guys can be here. Understand? Our TP can be here. So we can just this one. I'm not really going to be looking for buys here, guys. I'm now looking for for the sales only. Understand? But if you wanna buy it, you can buy it once it tests there. Understand? And once it reaches this zone, look for any confirmation. If it doesn't give you confirmation, understand, you can start looking for confirmation. If it buys again, come to this zone. Understand? But this might be our turning point there. Understand? If you get confirmation there, obvious it's gonna turn. Understand? It's gonna reverse. Understand? And our tip, you can target the previous what, the previous low, knowing that it's gonna give us a new lower low. Understand? And by the way, stop loss, I'm not going to really tell you where to put your stop loss. Understand? And sometimes, guys, I know if a setup, let's take you get a setup and then you put your stop loss, like you say, okay, I'm going to put my stop loss above the trend line. After doing that, and calculate your stop loss, check how much you're gonna lose. Understand? Because you can just put your stop loss and get that maybe your stop loss it's 500 pips. Understand? And if your trade, if you already executed, get that your trade goes to I know you maybe you risked 500 pips. Let's go it go into negative. Let's take to 250 pips. Understand? Negative 250 pips, and get that your account already blown. That's useless because like how do you put a stop loss that's bigger than your account? Understand? So sometimes if you put a stop loss on an area that you see, nah, I can't afford to take this trade. Understand? Because the stop loss is going to be too much. Understand? So if it's like that, don't take the setup. Understand? It's not all the setups that you must take. Understand? Some of them just let them do whatever they wanna do. Understand? Because you can't afford to take that risk. Understand? Just like this one, I don't know how much we're going to risk there, but I'm still going to calculate. Understand? After doing this, I go to my I have this other calculator that helps me calculate that. Okay, 750 what or 10 what pips, or how many pips. If I lose this one, this pips, how much am I going to lose? Understand? Then I see, okay, if I open 0.01, I can lose 100 rand. If I open 0.05, if it hits stop loss, I'll lose like 1,000. If I open this lot size, I'll lose this amount. And for the TP again, I check, okay, if I win this trade, I'm going to make this amount. Understand? So every time once I execute the trade, I know how much I'm going to lose. I don't know how much I'm going to make. Understand? And anyway, even if it doesn't hit TP, if I know that, okay, I was risking 500 and I see I'm running on 7K or 10K, I'm going out. Understand? So by the way, that's my analysis for gold. Here, while waiting for it to like give us what we want currently. Understand? And if you're looking for those buys, you saw how I told you, if you want to buy what you want, what you must do. Understand? But at the end of the day, massive sales are coming up. Understand? So without any waste of time, let's just jump to USA 30, and then this will be the end of the video, guys. Understand? And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Understand? And thank you for those who are like showing massive support on the channel, guys. I see the improvement, understand? We just hit 7.5 views, understand? Ha! Now our target now is 10K, understand? Our target is 10K. Once we hit 10K, I don't know. Understand? And by the way, subscribers, the target now is 2K, understand? Let's take it to 2K, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, understand? And more fire videos are coming, guys, this week, guys. The CPI, this what I think CPI, PPI, and what again? I don't remember, but what I know is that there is those fundamentals this week, understand? So we'll be killing them too, understand? We'll be killing those fundamentals too. You know us, understand? We don't play when it comes to fundamentals, guys, understand? And I see some people say, hey, you can trade fundamentals with technical analysis. I'm like, what? But how? How? I'm using technical analysis, guys. I don't use any other strategies, understand? I know a lot of strategies, by the way, guys. I know a lot of strategies, understand? And I just get confused when people say, okay, the best strategy is SMC, the best strategy is ICT, or Elliott Wave, or this strategy, or what strategy, or moving averages. I know all those strategies, guys, and I know how to use SMC. I know how to use what you call SMC, where there's other blocks, what understand. I know it. I know how to use ICT, your fair value gaps and what understand. I know how to, I can analyze for you using SMC right now, understand. But I don't even like viewing the market with SMC or ICT, understand. And ask yourself, if someone says SMC is the best, ask yourself, or why did I change from SMC? But I didn't really change. Like I was still trying to find myself, understand, getting like new strategies, like learning new strategies, understand. So ask yourself, I know SMC, but I chose to come to trade using pure price action, understand. Ask yourself why, understand. And you see, every time I click to pure price action, ask yourself why. That means SMC is not really the best strategy, understand. And every strategy, guys, works, understand. But you have to get something that you're comfortable with, understand. You know that, okay, you see with this strategy, I know that most of the time I'm gonna win and most of the time I'm gonna lose. And you must know how you wanna trade. Because some people want to take those trades that they take for maybe for a month, understand. So make sure get a strategy that works for you, understand. If you want pure price action, focus on pure price action, follow people who use pure price action, understand, learn everything about pure price action, try to get new stuff, understand. If you want to learn SMC, follow people who use SMC, like dive deeper into SMC, understand. And if you're interested in SMC, and I'll advise you to like combine SMC with ICT, understand. So with that you can be a very massive trade, understand. You can be higher, understand. But now for me, SMC is a lot for me, guys, understand. I can't, like, it's a lot of work identifying you what was and what was, understand. Now I just love the strategy of mine. This one, it's simple for me, understand. I don't know, I don't have to do a lot of stuff here, understand. By the way, let's just stop talking about other strategies and stuff, understand. Let's focus on our own strategy. For this strategy is not mine. I saw someone saying, yes, bro, your strategy is too much. Like, bro, this is not my strategy. This is not my strategy, guys. I learned this stuff from YouTube, understand? I learned this stuff from YouTube. Like, I just combined, like, maybe someone was teaching me about zones, and let's take, I watch this video, teaches me about zones. I watch another YouTuber, teaches me about candlesticks. I watch this YouTuber, teaches me about weekly zones, understand? Then I combine all those YouTubers' information together, understand? To be like one strategy, understand? So, this is not my strategy, guys. Everything about pure price action is on YouTube. Can check it out. And one of the best like YouTubers who teaches forex, guys, and that I know that this one is the channel that taught me, like the channel that made me understand, is the trading channel. So you can check it out on YouTube. And just go and search the trading channel, understand. And if you are a beginner, understand, I'll recommend you to go to the trading channels beginner what understand. They'll teach you how to be like how to master price action and stuff, understand. And by the way, guys, hey, Today I'm talking a lot. Let's just finish our analysis here, guys. Understand? So we're currently on USA 30. We saw that okay, we are on a downtrend. We're still on that downtrend. Understand? Nothing has changed already here on USA 30. We're on a downtrend. So that means we're still looking for those selling opportunities. Understand? We're still looking for those selling opportunities here on USA 30, guys. So let me just go to my 4-hour time frame. Let me go to my 4-hour time frame and see. Wait. I think I identified something here on my daily. I can even see it on my 4-hour time frame, but it was much clearer on my daily time frame. Understand? So you can see that here on our weekly zone, we have a massive support zone, which was broken. Understand? So this zone, guys, can be our possible turning point too. Understand? And you can see that that zone is next to a weekly zone. Understand? So obviously, once it approaches that zone, we know that we're expecting massive sales on that zone. Let me just do this. So you can see that we are currently approaching our that support zone. Understand? And that's our that support zone, it's next to our weekly zone. Understand? So once we get confirmation on that zone, understand? Once we get confirmation on that zone, let me just do this. Once we might get confirmation on that zone, we're executing our sales. Understand? And don't forget, we're on a downtrend on USA 30. We're still looking for those massive sales, and we're still looking for it to come to this point here. Understand? So I'm still expecting it to drop massively here. And don't forget, it's not just going to drop straight. Understand? It might drop by giving you sales and like bid highs and then start acting like it's gonna buy. Understand? So just know that it's not really going to drop like that. Just drop now. You can see now it's buying. Understand? So, but don't be confused by that. Those buys. Understand? We're still looking for those sales. Understand? And another thing here, I think we have a breakout here. I think we have a breakout here on USA 30 too. So USA 30 and gold, guys, that like they are doing the same thing. Understand? We had and on the same time frames on gold and on gold, you saw that on our 4-hour time frame we have a downtrend and we were like, but it isn't broke. Was it gold or Gemini? Yeah, I don't remember, but I think it was gold. Understand? We saw that on our 4-hour time frame we have a downtrend and it's trying to break that downtrend. But on our 1-hour time frame, it already broke. On the 4-hour, it's rejecting. Understand? It isn't like really broken, but it's rejecting. Understand? So here again, we still have the same setup, but you can see that we have a weekly zone there. Understand? But now I'm not going to look for buys. Some people I know that after this breakout on it, they can look for buys, but that's not wrong. Again, you can still buy, understand? Because you can see if you entered on the breakout there, if you had like a proper opportunity that executed your buy somewhere there, understand? You'll be in, you'll be killing it, understand? And you see it bought massively about, after that breakout, understand? So if you're looking for buys, you're not wrong, understand? But now for me, guys, I'm looking for massive moves, understand? So there, if I can get my what I refer to as my confirmation, understand? There, I'll be executing my sales, understand? So all the pairs I analyzed for you guys today, I think we're selling, understand? I think we're looking for selling opportunities, understand? I don't think there's any pair that I said you must look for buying opportunities. So here we can target this low here, can target that low there, understand? Can target that low there, understand? And you can see our higher highs and lower lows here, guys. Make sure, guys, to pay attention to the higher highs and lower lows. Understand? Once a higher high is broken, understand, there's a possibility that the market changes direction. Understand? And that's bit of SMC. Understand? That's bit of SMC, but that's not really SMC because that comes from pure price action. Understand? Then people who use this SMC so took that as like a I don't like they use that as like I think it's structure for structure or something. Understand? Once it breaks a previous higher high, and then they say, yeah, we're looking for buy. So it's still the same thing, understand, to us too. If it breaks this high there, understand, we can see a change of direction, understand. But if it doesn't gives us confirmation here on that zone, understand, we're looking for our selling opportunities since we know we're on a downtrend, understand. Then yeah, by the way, guys, this is the end of the video. If you reached this far, thank you so much. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video, guys. I'm out.